Forecast.
Full of view outside as we look off to the south and southwest as seen from Scott Stadium. You still have some towering cumulus clouds out there. Again, when they grow vertically, the higher they grow, it's an indication of instability in the atmosphere. Of course, the daytime heating really playing into all of that. And some of those have grown into big thunderstorms this afternoon. Another day of sultry heat, and we had temperatures this afternoon of 95. That's the 6th day of the ongoing heat wave. Some of us tomorrow may hold under 90, but not everyone. But again, those heat indices were well over 100. Now, obviously, with showers and storms and clouds around, temperatures have been impacted. 83 right now at the airport, still some 90s farther off to the north and east, and that's where some of the higher heat indices or real field temperatures are. Still feels like 108 in Culpeper, feels like 103 in Orange. You get the idea. If you've been impacted with the rain, then really not to worry about the heat advisory. That will expire here at 7 o'clock tonight, and we'll still have additional storms that'll be around the region. A severe thunderstorm watch is in place until 10 o'clock. Conditions favorable in and near the watch area. And what we've seen this afternoon has been slow movement with these storms, and they've either moved slowly or rained themselves out over their location. I want to zoom in on a couple of spots, and the strongest storm right now is up across Greene and Madison counties, right along the Conway River here. Fletcher, some of these rainfall rates are greater than an inch an hour, and if there's not moving very quickly, there could be some temporary flooding. But again, you can see some of the heavier downpours here in the Fletcher area. We go up into portions of Madison County along Skyline Drive, some big storms up toward the Big Meadows area and just to the west of the Route 29 corridor. We'll go a little farther to the south, and you can see again some of the rain that fell earlier, especially earlier this afternoon. There was a flash flood warning for portions of Augusta, Nelson, and western Albemarle. And basically this area on 64, as you're getting closer to Afton, Doppler radar estimates of 1 to nearly 3 inches of rain that fell. So again, not everyone's seeing the rain, but a cooling effect in the atmosphere. Temperatures tonight after those storms depart hang out in the low and mid 70s. Now temperatures tomorrow, upper 80s to around 90, expecting a little bit more cloud cover. There will be some more storms, and so some of us may break the heat wave, others may not. And in terms of storms tomorrow, once again, isolated severe, producing a damaging wind gust, some spotty large hail. Not everyone sees storms. And as we look ahead, there we are in the morning, a little bit more cloud cover to start. Temperatures upper 80s to near 90. A few storms tomorrow afternoon and evening before they wind down. And then Saturday, we kind of do it all over again with the coverage of storms that'll be out there, but not everyone sees rain. It's highs on Saturday in the upper 80s to low 90s. So not as excessively hot as it's been. The heat wave will either continue or reestablish itself this weekend, but not quite as hot as what we've dealt with this week. So as far as what's happening, that heat ridge breaking down, we have a front that's off to our north. It slowly works a little farther south over the next couple of days, but really never clears the region until we watch a stronger cold front next week. Temperatures tonight in the low and mid 70s. Those evening storms will fade away. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, not as hot going forward. Daily storm chances will continue. A stronger cold front on Tuesday should break this pattern temporarily. Again, our average daytime high right now is 89 degrees, so a little bit more average as opposed to excessively hot. And of course, the humidity will still linger, and it's still early summer.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Well, if you're looking